Ooh, good one. I think I got a striper, guys.
Dude, weather's nar-nar. We're gonna go meet with Laura and Jose and have some lunches at Hula's, and then we're gonna go fishing in this weather. Look at it. I'm really hoping it's clearer in Monterey.
So like Veronica said, we're gonna be having lunch in Monterey, which is about 3 hours north of us, and after that, after lunch, we're going to hopefully hook up on a striped bass. We'll see how this goes. They said it's not as bad rain up north. Right now it's really coming down. Just a quick update. The weather has cleared up amazingly. Veronica's sleeping, taking a little beauty rest, and so is Dexter. We got about an hour and a half, 2 hours left until we get to Monterey.
Ryan Ranch. Sweet light. Look at that mini roll.
All right, guys, we've been in Monterey now for a couple hours. We stopped and had lunch with Veronica's childhood friend. I've been getting some messages from Cali Surfcaster. He's been fishing out there, and our food came a little late, so he's off the water now. And he gave us a really good report. He told us that there was a couple who was catching quite a bit of striper. They got their limit of 4 between the two of them within like 15 minutes on dead anchovies. So yeah, hopefully, I mean, that's what I'm gonna hold on to. I mean, the fish are there, but it's just gonna be a matter of what they want. I mean, striper can be so finicky sometimes, but when you figure them out and you know you have what they want, you're gonna get them. So hopefully we have what they want. So we're gonna meet up with Adrian, Cali Surfcaster. All right, we just made it to the beach. Super windy, so when I switch to the chest cam, I apologize in advance for the crazy noises that you might hear. I did break the mic adapter to the GoPro. They're sending me a new one, GoPro is, so that's good on them. And yeah, we just met up with Cali Surfcaster, Adrian, and his buddy, and he gave us a really good report on the bite, so we know where to go. Hopefully it all pans out and this all comes together. We had some rain earlier. We had, yeah, these high winds. Surf's not 100% cooperating, but you know what? We drove 3 hours. We're gonna try our luck. Not so bad. So far, so good. Little walk on the beach while we let our food digest. Ooh, look at that cormorant. It's too crazy out. What? A lot of sand crabs. Alright, so I've tried the Castmaster. I've tried this plug. All right, time for the SP minnow. I casted my leader off earlier. Dang, it's rough. And the tape on my finger came off. I might be sore later. You throwing a lucky craft?
What's that?
Are you?
Oh,
Oh yeah.
this guy just landed 2. The guy right next to me just landed 1. There's a
whole school right in front of those guys, but you can't get in there because they got one big one. Yeah. But they're all fishing anchovies. Yeah, no, that's what I heard. A buddy of mine was just here probably an hour ago, and a couple walks past him, anchovies, limit in 10 minutes. Oh yeah, yeah. Well, they'll hit that lucky grab. Yeah. Yeah, fuck this up with the SC minnow. What? Yeah. Well, good luck. I might make a couple casts. Ooh, just got bit. I just got bit. Oh. Whoa! Look at this. Yeah. It moved the same time as you. You know, it got the tango. Yeah. Oh, I thought it was you that. That's a nice one. Wow. It's getting bigger now. Yeah. I thought they were just biting on trophies, bro. Yeah. What did you get that one on? The worm. Nice. Yeah. Well, man, good luck, man. Thank you. Oh, I got something. All right, I got a perch. I got a perch. Woo! That made it worth the rain. Yes, got a perch, guys. On the Lucky Craft. That's what's up. All right, not leaving empty-handed on the Monterey trip. Ooh, good one. I think I got a striper, guys. I think I got a striper, guys. Oh yeah, that's a striper. All right. No. Oh. Yes, guys. Oh my gosh, it's worth it. Oh! I hope it's a keeper. there he is. Oh, it's a... What are you? Yes! 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 Oh, yes! Oh, yes! Look at that! Yes! 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 Woo! Finally! Oh, it was such a grind today, guys. Oh my gosh, you don't believe it. Oh, yes, guys. I did it. I did it. I got myself a surf striper. Oh. Let's measure this thing. Oh yeah, 22 inches all day. Woo! God, what a great fight. Oh, that was the best fight that I've had in so long, guys. Oh, thank you. Thank you, striped bass. So, I've caught these in freshwater. There it is, guys. First fish of the day. Nice striper. I don't know what it weighs, but it's pretty big. And this is my very first one on the surf. Oh my gosh, I made it so worth it, guys. That is a beautiful fish. Oh my gosh. That was epic. 22 inch. Awesome. What made that really awesome was the light line. Since I caught that guy on light line, the fight was epic. And typically if they're super tired, it's probably not a good idea to let them go, because they're so tired that they actually start to not be able to fight the waves, and then they end up dying anyway when you catch them on light gear. And then usually if you catch a smaller one or a shaker, this rod is good enough to just bring them right in without getting them too tired. So guys, that was awesome. First saltwater striped bass. That was epic. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. My heart is still racing. That was awesome. Well guys, that turned out pretty freaking epic. Thank you guys for joining that trip to Monterey. Turned out really awesome. Ended up catching a perch and a striped bass after I called it quits. Like I said, I called it quits. I started walking back, and then one of the guys told me to stop and start making some casts. He ended up, he was throwing the spoon, and I stuck around and I tied on the Lucky Craft, and I was able to get him on that light line. That was so awesome. Guys, I'm definitely coming back, so stay tuned. We'll catch you on the next episode. Oh, by the way, I'm hitting Kachuma tomorrow. Oh yeah, before I go, special shout out to you, Adrian, Cali Surfcaster. I appreciate you, man. Thank you for giving me the tips and getting me on that perch and my first ever saltwater striped bass. Oh, it was a good fight. We'll catch you later. For real this time.